I didn't know that charging my e-bike while I was sleeping could be dangerous.
I didn't know that my e-bike could cause a fire so intense and fast, 6 neighbors in my building lost their homes, too.
I didn't know parking my e-bike by the door was also blocking my way out when it caught on fire.
I didn't know what safety standards were, let alone having an e-bike and battery certified to them could save my home.
I didn't know that maintaining my e-bike and its battery is a critical part of preventing a fire.
I didn't know that cheap e-bike battery for my delivery gig wasn't a deal. It was dangerous.
E-bike fires can have deadly consequences. They don't have to. Help us reduce the risks.